Good morning to one and all. So welcome to online learning animal cell culture techniques. So what are these animal cell culture techniques? How these essentials of animal cell culture technique is very important. So these essentials of animal cell culture techniques subject, what are the topics it deals with. So we are going to study and familiarize in this essentials of animal cell culture about the characteristic of an animal cell culture, what are the different varieties of animal cell cultures, so what are the precautions which we have to take in order to culture the animal cell, what are the different varieties of cell lines which we are going to use for the culturing, biology of a cultured cells, and what are the medias which we are going to use for the animal cell culture. Then also we are going to study about what are the advantages, disadvantages of this animal cell culture, and what are the challenges which are faced by this essentials of animal cell culture subject. Then what are the industrial applications, and also what are the advancement, what is the difference between this animal cell culture, and also what is the difference culturing these cells in vivo and in vitro. So we can study the distinguish entire detailed report or a characteristic of this in vivo cells or in vitro cells where they are culturing. And coming to the facilities which are required for this animal cell culture, because in order to succeed in this animal cell culture technique we need a facilities. The facilities which we are facilitating for this animal cell culture play a very important role for the successful of this animal cell culture and also applications of this animal cell culture. The basic requirements for this animal cell culture lab and also establishment of this animal cell culture. So these are the basic requirements. Apart from the basic requirements, then what are the tools or an instruments, equipments which we need in order to facilitate this animal cell culture laboratory to succeed in this animal cell culture. Such a one instrument we call it as a carbon dioxide incubator. Carbon dioxide incubator is the most important equipment which is required for the animal cell culture, because it will be going to provide the carbon dioxide, and usually the 5% of the carbon dioxide level we will be going to set in the carbon dioxide incubator when we are culturing the animal cell. The next important equipment is required for this is a biosafety cabinet. So this is like a similar to the laminar airflow, but it is somewhat advanced, and there are different varieties of biosafety cabinets. In the biosafety cabinet, what we will be going to do is just the passaging the cells, subculturing. It is an UV light provider is also there for the sterilization. Before we start the work, we need to switch on the UV for the 5 minutes. All the medias, okay, tea flask, animal cell cultures, all we have to shift to this working area within that biosafety cabinet. So it is totally providing the sterilized area to work for the subculturing, passaging, okay, so cell inoculation, all those things. Then coming to the next instrument which it is required is inverted microscope. This is also very important. So to observe the cells, inverted microscope, and whether they are adherent cells or whether they are a suspension cells, so all these things we need to check it. Inverted microscope is also very important. Biosafety cabinet, inverted microscope, and carbon dioxide incubator. These are the very essential. Other than this, the centrifuger, deep fridger, -80, -20, and also if you take for the cryo cans, All these are also necessary for the a very good establishment of animal cell culture laboratory. So thank you. So